Alright, pay attention. This is called a roundabout or a traffic circle. Notice you have the arrow?
Yeah.
So it's telling you you have to stay on the right. Now look to your left. Look to your left because no, I didn't say stop. Just look to your left. You have to check because if a car was approaching, they could smash you up.
Oh.
It's a circle. So it's called a traffic circle or a roundabout. Now, we could go straight or we could go to the left and keep going in a circle. So just keep going on the circle because if you're gonna go straight, you'll have to put that right signal on. So again, we're in the circle. Just keep going around in circle. I think this is your first experience driving in circles. And it's called a traffic circle. So the thing is, you have to know where you want to go. If you wanted to go straight, you just signal right, check and go to the right to go straight. Alright, so we're going to continue. And see, you have a sign, it's a yield sign, so you have to yield right of way to any traffic approaching from the right. Okay, now we're still in the circle, but we're going to the right this time. So signal right, check and speed up. Come on, step on it. So again, this is called a traffic circle or a roundabout. You do not see a lot of these,
I hope not.
but nevertheless, yeah. See, you have to know where you're going, and based on where you're going, then you select the lane that you need to take you there.